So everybody can able to see my screen? Am I audible, guys? Hello? Am I audible? Avinash?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, there is one more example I will take for the loops. Now we go here. There is a basket. Inside the basket, a lot of items. Okay. So, for example, fruits are there and vegetables are there. When we have some fruits and vegetables, my requirement is I need to collect all the fruits and store into the fruits array. I need to collect all fruits, store into one array. Now I need to collect all the vegetables and store in one array. Whenever you want to print fruits, you can print fruits on top of the user interface. Whenever you want to print the vegetables, you can take and print on top of the user interface. See, collecting a fruit related item, put into the list. Collect vegetable related item, put into the list. This is something like a iteration. See, there are multiple kind of iterations we have. One is the while. Okay, one is the do while. One is for loop. One is for in, and one more is for each. For each. Okay, so something like this. For in, for each, both are actually same. Coming to the while loop, whenever you want to write a while loop, any loop, 4 important methods we need to follow. The first one is initialization. The second one is checking condition. Third one is execute a block. Fourth one is increment or decrement. See, I want to tell you one thing. There is a basket, sir. Okay, inside basket I have some items. Inside basket I want some items. Okay, what my requirement is, this is the item 0 and this is the item 1. This is the item 2 and this is the item 3. We have a collection of items 0, 1, 2. 0 is array index. Array index always started with a 0 and index is going forward. 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. Okay, so I want to pick up all the products. What I will check? First of all, this basket length is, what is the basket length now? How many items are there in the basket? How many items are there in the basket? 4. Yes or no? First, pick up the first item. I want to pick up the 0th item. Whenever you want to pick up the 0th item, first check the condition. 0 is less than 4 or not. So 0 is less than 4. If 0 is less than 4, pick up the item and put in the UI. Now, second item 1. 1 less than 4, condition is satisfied. When condition is satisfied, item is picking up. 3 less than 4, condition is satisfied. Item pick up. Now 4. Second item, 0 item, 1 item, 2 item, 3 item. All the values I can able to pick up from the basket. Okay, when the value got incremented. So can you see the last line, increment or decrement? First of all, initialization with 0, checking with a condition, while I less than 5, 0 less than 5, we move to the block, print the value, I incrementing by 1. Second time I value is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 less than 5, again it will come to the condition. Every time this is going to be iterating or repeating for 4 times. Why? Because of 4 times the value is going to be valid. 4 times the value is going to be valid, sir. That is the very reason it will check for n number of times. Okay, now tell me the steps here. Tell me the steps. Okay. First, where I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. Check about I less than 5. I less than 5. Okay. Print I value. Print I value. Document dot write I. So what is the output of this I value now? 0. Now I incremented the value by 1. I plus plus. When I incremented the value, again the condition is going to be checking. Now what is I value? What is I value? I is equal to 1. I value already incremented by 1. Now, here let me give the 0 less than. Here it is 0 now. 0 less than. Document dot write. You can print the 0. I means 0. Okay. Now, here I plus plus means 0 plus plus. Okay. Now, 1. Tell me. While 1 less than, condition satisfy or not? 1 is less than 5 only. 1 is less than 5 or true or false? Sir, 1 less than true. Print 1. Again, I value got incremented. 1 plus 1. This time I value is 2. Now, where I is equal to 2. While 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5. Is it true? 2 less than 5 or not? Document dot write 2. Then it will print 2. Then again I value got incremented. I plus plus. It means 2 plus 1 is 3. Now tell me, what is I value now? I is 3, sir. Now I is 3 initialized. Now check while, let me, tell me, 3 less than 5, true or false? Document dot write 3 again. Now the value is 3. And again 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now I value is 4. Where I is equal to 4. While 4 less than 5. 4 less than 5. Okay, true. True or not? Then document dot write 4. The output is, now I value got incremented. 4 plus 1, the value is 5. Now again it will go for the where I is equal to 5. Now tell me, while 5 less than 5, is it true? Is it true? Condition is false, sir. False or true now? Loop
I less than 5 is false.
terminates here. Loop terminates here. Okay, from here, the loop will not work out. From here, the loop is not getting worked out. So I am explaining each and every step very, very clearly. How the program will run. How the program will run for the while loops. How the program will run for the while loop. So if you want, you can check with images. I got a very good image. You can see while loop JavaScript. what we'll call diagram. Flow diagram. You can go like flow diagram. Yeah. Search for some flow diagram while loop. Okay. Can you see this black color one? Or you can see this one. How this image is going to be showing. So start the loop, checking the condition. If the condition is true, go for the statements. If it is not true, go for the end block of the loop. Can you check this one? This one is the very clear one. Initialization, while condition, true, a group of statements you can write, increment, decrement operator, then go again for initialization, again check condition. If condition is true, then go for the group of statements again. Then one more time increment, decrement. Until the condition is going to be true, the loop is going to be iterating to you. Otherwise, it will jump from the loop out. When the condition is not getting satisfied, it will go for the false. What is the meaning of false here is exit from the loop. Exit from the loop. Loop will not run. Is it clear, everyone? I want to save this one. Okay, now let's go with the do while. How the do while will work. Now let me write a program while loop.html script. Okay, where I is equal to 0, while I less than 5 or less than 4 or 5, then document dot write I, then take a break. Document dot write a br, then I plus plus. That's enough. Okay, so what is the output of this program? What is the output of this program? Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
0 to 4.
0 to 4 exactly. So indexes, I got indexes. I got all the indexes over there. Okay. So I got output of this program. This one. This is the output of this program. Now, in the same way, take an array and iterate the values from the array. Iterate values from the array. Let me take an array where, okay, drinks is equal to, I want to take a bunch of drinks here. Okay. Take a list of drinks. Okay. One is juice, one is tea, one is coffee, and one is milk, one is water. Now I want to print all these items. How to print all these items? Where I is equal to 0. Tell me, while I less than. Now tell me. I less than what?
5.
How you say 5? So you don't know the list of values. For example, from the website or from the database, maybe you get a 10,000 products. 10,000 products. Then how you write less than 10,000? So this number is basically a dynamic number. The product number is basically a dynamic number. Okay, so today you got only 100 products. Tomorrow you can get 1,000 products. Day after tomorrow you can get 10,000 products. Then I want to check the count of the list. How to get the count of the list? Okay, alert brings dot length. Brings dot length. I want to check brings length. Not length only. Let me check this method will execute or not. Execute this first of all. Okay, don't write anything. I less than brings dot length only, correct? Then I can go for document dot write I. Then take a break. Write a break tag. Document dot write. Write a break. So let's give a simple break tag. Now I plus plus. Is it require? I plus plus is required or not? Okay. Now check a list of values, list of drinks. First alert box need to come. That alert box is basically showing the length of the drinks. Okay, how many elements are there? How many products are there? How many drinks are there in your array?
5.
5. Okay, I got found the length of the array first. Okay, now okay, click on OK button. Now click on OK button. What it is going to be get? So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only I can able to find index numbers, but I can't able to print the fruit name here. Am I right? So here I am taking one horizontal row. Take a horizontal to looks good, and then document write print fruits. Sorry, print drinks or show drinks. Now drinks are showing or numbers are showing. Drinks are showing or numbers are showing. After the alert box, I can able to understand. Okay, show drinks. Drinks are showing or numbers are showing?
Numbers.
Numbers. Okay. How to convert that number to drink? That is basically index. That is basically index, but I want to convert that index to a name of the fruit. Okay, so very simple. Here, instead of taking the I, okay, drinks of I. Drinks of I. Drinks of I. Okay. Now, let me show. Here I got a length. After that, I want to show the alert. Drinks of 0. What is the drinks of 0? Anybody guess? Alert. Juice. Drinks of 1. Yes. We have already values. Just follow the array called drinks. Drinks of 2. Okay. Alert. Drinks of 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 also there. Now alert. Drinks of. Now I just want to see the alert boxes for the drinks. Then how this I value is going to be utilizing inside the loop, I will tell. How the I value is going to be utilizing in the loop, I will tell. Now you can see the count of the array is 5. Then click on OK button. Juice is there, tea is there, coffee is there, milk is there, water is there. Then finally, drinks. I got all the drinks now. I got all the drinks now. How these drinks are actually printing? How these drinks are actually printing? This is nonsense. This is not required. How these drinks are printing? Can you tell me? See here, what is the I value first of all? 0. 0 less than 5. Here, understand the thing. 0 less than 5. Condition is satisfied or not? The length is, we know the length actually. The length is 5. 0 less than 5, condition is satisfied. When condition is satisfied, print drinks of 0. Yes or no? Here we are actually printing drinks of 0. Here actually we are printing drinks of 0. Then 0 incremented by 1. Then next time I value is 1. 1 less than 5. 2 less than 5. 3 less than 5. 4 less than 5. Until the last value, it is going to be looping to you. And finally, whenever the condition is not satisfied, when 5 less than 5 came into the picture, automatically loop terminates. Am I correct? Automatically loop will terminate. When 5 less than 5 come into the picture, condition will not satisfy. Condition is not true. Then automatically loop is getting terminating to you. This is about a while loop. Is it understanding? I'm asking everyone. So while loop is understanding, loops are understanding,
Yes, sir.
or
Yes.
maybe a complex. See, very simple thing. Small methods you have to remember. In the process of the loop, you need to understand. The process of the loop, you need to understand. Okay. Now let me go to the do while. Do execute statements first. Then check condition. Then check condition. It's a very simple. Okay. Now, do while. Do while dot HTML. Okay, where I is equal to 0, same initialization part. Do statements first. Okay. Document dot write I plus plus. Then check the condition at end of the block. Check the condition at end of the block. I less than 5 or 6 with semicolon. Semicolon is compulsory. Now condition is checking at end of the block. This is condition check. This is semicolon compulsory. Okay. Let me print the values and take a break also. Yeah. Document dot write. Okay, break. So, what is the problem? Go with the inspector. Somewhere we are doing a mistake. Go to console. Okay, uncut unexpected token with a do while. Somewhere we got an extra parenthesis. Somewhere we got an extra parenthesis. No. We have to give the while. Na. Do while. Na. Just do while. Right? Now go for the execution. Okay, I got a values print 0, 1, 2, 3. Post condition check basically. Okay, so that is one thing. And one more thing is for loop. For loop is very, very simple. Everything is going with a single statement. For loop dot HTML script. Okay, for everything in the single statement where I is equal to 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. Enough. Block of the statement we want to go. Document write I. Then take a break. Document dot write. Take a break. Now save and execute. What's the problem? Go and check with the inspector. Go and check with the inspector. Here the issue we have. Go to console. We don't have any issue. Okay, so where I is equal to 0, I less than 4, I plus plus is the statement, na? Document dot write I. Yeah.
Semicolon after I plus plus.
No semicolon needed for the break. Enough.
Yes.
Now go and check with the open browser. Okay, so where is the output? For loop, where is output?
The semicolon after I plus plus.
Oh, semicolon किधर?
After I plus plus.
No. Bracket missing. Open and close. Still we have the same.
In the for loop, I plus plus you given a
Sir,
semicolon.
after I plus plus. After I plus plus. Yes, sir.
Okay, we got it. 0 and 2. But I want to take a simple break here. How to take a break? This document dot write and take a small break. That's all. Now let's take same drinks here. How to print these drinks now? Same drinks I want to print in the file. Okay. Now where I is equal to 0, I less than drinks dot length exactly. Then I plus plus. Then print your drink. Document dot write.
Drinks of I.
Drinks of it, exactly. Drinks of I. Then take a break. Okay. So let's go for the output. Yeah, I got it. So this is the way of writing with the public. Okay, you try with more and more examples also. And tomorrow we go with the remaining for in and for off also. Then we'll go for the operators. Then we use these loops and we iterate the JSON data. Tomorrow class itself, I just want to iterate the JSON data also. Okay, please do practice more and more on JavaScript. It is crazy basically. Sometime you got an issue, sometime you got an error. That time, go to the inspector and check with the things. Understand the syntax is very important. Is it clear, everybody?